Benefits of using AI in talent acquisition: candidates can be sourced faster with AI, particularly new recruiters and recruiters for highly technical positions cannot be expected to know all the nuances of job requisition language. A machine learning engine with artificial intelligence can help. The search can be expanded beyond the exact wording of job requirement to related industry-specific language and terms based on its requirements. In contrast to a simple word matching algorithm, AI-enabled sourcing allows you to search by intent. Additionally, the concept of skills adjacency is addressed by AI systems through deep learning. Based on millions of data points, the software can interfere with the prerequisites of a candidate's skill or knowledge and identify the likelihood that that candidate has a similar skill but a different one. Based on millions of data points, the software can infer the prerequisites of a candidate's skill or knowledge and identify the likelihood that the candidate has a similar skill but a different one. Therefore, sourcing is facilitated with a broader, more inclusive pool of candidates that the humans may miss. As the program consistently evolves, it retains association that can be applied in new and different recruitment scenarios. Candidates or current employees might be suited for positions within an organization even if they don't apply. Other benefits of effective talent acquisition include engagement and experience of employees improved, increased productivity, retention of employees, and thus lower turnover, which in turn reduces the cost to hire and retain new employees. By employing highly skilled and experienced employees, more innovative products and services can be offered, and increased revenue can be generated from improved productivity. Developing a plan, taking a step back is crucial. Examining what's working and what's not, and not neglecting broader goals in a rush to fill immediate needs. In developing a recruiting strategy, talent acquisition provides this big picture perspective. When developing a recruiting and talent acquisition plan, consider these steps. Analyze current organizational strategies. Business plans, departmental plans, and workforce plan contain good examples of top-level considerations that should guide the recruiting process. Business expansions, mergers and acquisitions, and new line of business are just a few examples. Identify best practices, templates, and other guides to effective recruitment, and talent management online are often free. Ask shareholders for feedback. The talent plan should include input from department managers, HR, and senior executives. They are the best source of experience and insight into business processes. Create an employer brand. Start by conducting a study to determine public perceptions of the brand, either formally or through sites like Glassdoor. Make the brand image aligns with business goals. Then incorporate them into recruitment, marketing, and other communications. Tools and products. Recruiting and talent acquisition software is widely available for organizations to choose from. An organization's first HR technology is normally a human resource management system or core HR system for managing employee records, payroll, and benefits. Many organizations find they quickly outgrow the basic recruiting model that comes with it. This is why it is important to use a specialized recruiting software. One of the most commonly used types of HR software is talent management suites from vendors such as Cornerstone, In-Demand, Oracle, SAP, SuccessFactors, and UKG. In addition to recruiting, performance management, and offboarding, which is the mirror image of onboarding when employees leave a company, these suites cover all phases of talent management. Most of these suites are delivered as SaaS, which means the vendor maintains the upcoming infrastructure and distributes it to users over the internet. It's not always necessary to purchase a comprehensive talent management solution. Some online job boards can process resume applications and communication with candidates, while other software products focus more on recruiting. Additionally, SaaS talent acquisition platforms also handle more of the recruiting process. A recruitment management system, RMS, can be very useful to partially automating the talent acquisition process. An RMS is a collection of software tools, including an ATS, to manage job posting and applications. Candidates can also be engaged with the recruiting process and the organization using the candidate relationship management features. By using an RMS, candidates' resumes are automatically matched with the skills in the job description. Video interviewing tools enable remote candidates' interviews and incorporate artificial intelligence that can analyze facial expressions and gestures to determine a candidate's suitability for the job.